Hey everybody, welcome back. So as you saw in the previous video on this Swedish Mauser, this 1901 model that I did, or that I kind of did a show and tell on, that I acquired at a fairly local gun shop. If you remember, and the link to that video is down in the description, if you remember, this one was missing the cleaning rod. So I went out to Sarco's website and got a few parts from them, which is what we're going to unbox here today. Now, what I got from them is they had a Swedish Mauser accessory kit for $17.95, which came with the M96 cleaning rod, which is what I was really needing to complete this rifle, as well as an FN49 30-06 receiver cover. If you saw the previous video on that, it's also down in the description below. Someone had put a scope mount on it and they took the receiver cover off, so it's missing it. That was my Egyptian 8mm Mauser FN49. And as some of my, or one of my commenters pointed out, hey, that 30-06 receiver cover will fit. So I was like, cool, I'm going to get one of those. As you saw in the previous video, I got the rear sight for that. This is the receiver cover. I got it for $33.75. We're going to take a look at it, see what kind of condition it's in, and see whether or not I think it's going to be usable, which I really hope it is. So let's get right into this. Sarco's boxes are always a bit strange to figure out how I should be opening them, but we're going to get into it one way or another. Alright, here we go. Oh boy. Oh, the joy of peanuts. Looks like my cleaning rod. That is a super long cleaning rod. Actually, this is really nice. So here's the cleaning rod. Threads are super good. Cleaning rod itself has a little bit of gunk on it, but is in very good shape. I'm going to set that aside while I get the rest of this out of here. That receiver cover is somewhere in here. Somewhere way up in there. There it is. Wow. Okay, so let's take a moment and get all these out of the way. I apologize. I know I take forever in a lot of my videos. It just is what it is. I want to get all this out of the way so we can take a look at what I got without being distracted. Okay, get that out of the way. Okay. Nice thing is this package wasn't damaged like the one that came from Apex, but thankfully everything that was inside of the package from Apex wasn't damaged. It was all in good shape. Alright, so here is that FN49 receiver cover. Surprisingly, it came with the sight assembly. I didn't expect that. It's got the latch, it's got all that good stuff in there that I needed, and appears to be in functioning shape. Of course, it's got this serial number on the right hand side, which I know my rifle is not going to be completely accurate, but this will allow me to get it back to its sort of as-built configuration. So I think that was a pretty good deal there. Of course, it's painted black, no big deal there. But we're going to take a look at the rest of the accessories that came in that M96 Mauser accessory kit. Of course, you got your oil and solvent models, and it came with, really cool, came with 5 nice brass stripper clips. So they all look to be in working condition. Super happy to have them for this. but everything looks good so far. Kind of a little hesitant to open up this bottle. Still has the rubber piece in the top to help seal it. That's a plus. I seriously doubt there's anything in here, but you know, actually there is some stuff in here. There's the other rubber cap. There should be the other parts of the cleaning kit, and namely, very nice board brush, which is in still good working shape. So pretty happy about that. I mean, that was a good deal, I think, on that accessory kit. So if you guys have a M96 Swedish Mauser, you know, there's a way you can get the accessories and stuff for it. But I do want to move this aside for just a moment. I want to make for certain that this is indeed the right cleaning rod, because I do get a little paranoid about these things. So let's get this in here. And it screws right in. Very nice. Tickled to death to get that in there, because I was missing that, and I'm so happy to have that. As well as, of course, the rest of the accessory kit for this M96 Swedish Mauser. And then, of course, that receiver cover for my FN49, which is a little worn, you know, a little well used, but still in working shape. And like I said before, I really wasn't expecting it to come with that rear sight. I guess I could leave it on there, since I can't read Arabic. I don't know. I don't really know what I'm going to do yet. But we'll see. The lever works. You know, it's just in good working shape. Just, you know, kind of well used. But I think it'll be just fine. So anyway, there you guys have it. Appreciate you guys tuning in. Of course, let's see, be on the lookout for I'm still working on cleaning up that Browning A5, so be on the lookout for that video. Hoping to get to that pretty soon, to try to get it cleaned up really well. Of course, one of the things I was missing from that was a bottle of this, because quite frankly, the hops number 9 can't get in all the crevices that I need to clean all that gunk out. So something with a little bit of aerosol is definitely going to help out. Of course, always when you're using aerosol, be mindful that it can cool the parts and actually cause some rusting, depending on how much you spray it. So something to always keep in mind when you're cleaning your gun parts. But anyway, as always, thank you all my subscribers, everybody for tuning in, all the likes, all the shares, all the comments. Greatly appreciate it, because you guys teach me a whole lot of things about stuff like this that, you know, I don't always have all the answers, nor do I know a whole lot about it. And I don't profess to know a whole lot about it. Just want to share my hobby with you guys. So thanks everybody for tuning in, and until next time, you guys have a great day.